You were just on stage. That wasn't you? Oh, thank goodness. No. How do you have patterns? These were supposed to be gone. You were never supposed to see.
You were hiding this from us this whole time?
No, I have a plan to erase them. Gino was supposed to...
Gino? You're working with him?
No! I was using him to fix all this, to fix me, so we could all do our duty. We could all be strong, be together.
How could we be together if we can't tell your lies from your truths, Rumi?
I knew it. I knew it was too good to be true.
No! Didn't you see? See the gold? We're so close. Don't leave. I can still fix it! Zoey, please.